Hey buddy, it's Zach. How's it going? Today, like always, we're gonna have some fun trading. Let's turn a small deposit of 5 into nice 4-digit sum.
I'm ready, let's go.
And by the way, if you are not in my Telegram group yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Pause the video right now and click the first link in the description below, the pinned comment. Join my trading community on Telegram. I share my 9 years of trading experience there. Lots of trading features. Plus, I host free trading sessions every day where all my subscribers can see exactly when I enter a trade, and on average, they make $650 per session. And I trade twice a day. Yep, every day, even on weekends, in the off-exchange market. So, go click the first link in the description or the pinned comment. I'm almost ready to start trading. If you have any questions about setting up our trading platform, I always cover that in my Telegram channel. The only thing we need to focus on right now is the indicator settings. For Bollinger Band, set the period to 7, deviation to 1.01. Change all line styles to 2 pixels. Make the top line white, leave the middle line green, and make the bottom line red. By the way, combination of these two indicators is very popular and therefore very effective. For the MACD lines, we'll also make them thicker. And let's change the colors of the histogram. Make the up pink and the down green. Why do I choose these settings? I explain all the details on my Telegram channel. Alright, let's start trading. First pair, Aussie and Kiwi. I'm going to invest a downtrend, so I hit the lower button. Why? The price reached its peak and then the trend reversed. This isn't just a bounce, it's a new trend confirmed by the frequent bearish candles and both indicators. Their lines have also turned. The chart shows a risky situation. The candles are hovering around the entry point. But in this market, the key is to correctly predict the price movement, and you'll be in the green. Here, we get the financial advantage by choosing the right direction, where the price will go, not the difference between the entry and the closing points like in other markets. Oh my gosh, I made the right call. The trade closed in my favor. That was tense. 9 in the account. Let's keep going. Switching to second pair. Changing the amount to 9 and yes, I'm going to invest in an uptrend. Hit the button. After such a strong bearish movement, the chart reached the previous support level. It's expected that buyers will try to defend this level again. Another trade closed as predicted. I love this trading. It's the fastest way for me to see rewards. Let's continue. Now it's the Aussie and Canadian pair. I'll invest 17 this time, hit higher. The price dropped to the support level and now it's moving sideways. Based on the entry point, I predict an upward movement. Both indicators are also tightly compressed, suggesting a trend reversal is coming. To analyze charts like I do, you need either lots of practice or a great mentor. On my Telegram channel, I try to give my students as much value as possible. That's why I now have several thousand followers. I share my knowledge openly and honestly, analyze mistakes, and discuss different trading methods. Every day we practice during live trading sessions. I send entry points to the group chat and my subscribers enter trades based on them. This allows them to make an average of $650 a day just by copying my trades. By the way, access is completely free for the next few days. Click the first link in the description or the pinned comment to join. You got nothing to lose by subscribing, but if you don't, you're totally missing out. Like I said, the main thing is to determine the direction, not the price difference. Now I have 33 in my account. Let's keep going. Now we are working with a dirham and yuan pair. Increasing the investment amounts, let's see. Got it. Going long. The price has reached a high level and it seems the trend should end. But my experience tells me that the buyers still have some strength left and will push the maximum value higher. This is where experience helps. knowing how to read the charts and get the nuances of the indicators. We're back to the Aussie and Kiwi pair, increasing the trade amount to 61, and the forecast is down. Why? The length of the green candle shows that the bullish trend is slowing down, and the reversal is coming. Plus, the MACD has been indicating for a while that the bears have the upper hand. Here comes the last push from the buyers. The candle moves above the upper Bollinger Bands, which is a clear indicator of a trend reversal. The deposit has increased again. Moving on to the next action. I don't really like the situation with the Aussie and Swiss pair, so I'm choosing the Aussie and Canadian pair. The investment now is 117. Interesting position on the chart. Going short. Seems like a couple of weeks ago I wrote about a similar situation on my Telegram channel. The chart has several candle wicks above the upper bands, but none could break past a resistant level. Now, even the Bollinger Bands are starting to point downwards, indicating a reversal. The reward from this trade is 224. This shows how important the right combination and selection of indicators for effective technical analysis. Alright, the dirham and yuan currencies don't seem reliable, so I'm switching to the Aussie-Kiwi pair. Changing the trade amount. Looking at the chart. Okay, hitting the higher button. Buyers found a resistance level and took a break. Now they're ready to try again, so we're expecting an upward candle. Smart technical analysis is the greatest support for success in trading. My deposit has increased again. Let's trade the Aussie-Swiss pair. Investment 430. Predicting an upward move. Hitting the button. Bearish moves draw the price down, but it broke below the lower Bollinger Bands. It's likely this is the last downward move before the bulls take over. Picking the right direction let me increase my deposit again. Now I have 825. Next, back to the Aussie-Canadian pair. Changing the amount, going short this time. The bears are almost at the support level, but there is still a chance to break the minimum. We'll see if that was the bottom. Either way, I secured another revenue. Dirham and yuan. Now I'm going all in with 1000. Obviously going lower. Candles have been above the upper Bollinger Bands for a while, but the last push was the strongest and there were no corrections before. As soon as I entered, it started moving down, so it's all clear. Great! Another trade in the green. It feels good to trade smart and get solid returns. Now it's the Aussie-Kiwi pair. Investment is the same. Going short. Both indicators show that the downward movement will continue. And thanks to our indicators, they are awesome tools. Now there is 3,427. Focusing on the Aussie-Swiss pair. Same amount, hitting high. It looks like a new support level is forming on the asset. The interaction on the candles with the Bollinger Bands lines clearly shows this. Another success. No surprise for me. I think we can do a couple more trades. Aussie-Canadian pair. The amount remains the same. Going short. Hit the button. After identifying the minimum, a reversal happened. But after significant bullish impulses, a downward bounce starts. And we nailed it again. Let's move on to the final trade. Today's headliners from the East, dirham and yuan. expecting a downward movement, hitting the button. Obviously, such a sharp and powerful impulse seems too unbelievable and won't reverse the trend. Awesome, guys! I made 6,187 this session. Isn't that great? I think it's fantastic. And our MACD and Bollinger Bands indicators really helped today. So, what do you think of the results? Remember where I started, right? See how I make solid trades. Now you know I can do some really great stuff. Making an average of 650 a day isn't just possible, it's totally doable. So join my Telegram channel, get entry points daily. I know you don't want to miss them, so join right now while it's still free. Click the first link in the description and the first pinned comment and send me a direct message. That's all for today, see you next time. Bye.